Please, Your Lordship, I seek a mention part 2, item number 1 may kindly be taken up tomorrow, my lord.
You tell the other side.
Yes,
Be
my
ready
lord.
for tomorrow. Yes.
My lord, may I make one unlisted?
So wait, item number 1, it will be 1 and 2. Are they similar?
My lord.
They
Only
are
item
different.
number 1.
Okay, fine. 1 tomorrow.
Lordship, may I make one unlisted item? This is a writ petition under 226, Your Lordship. And this writ petition is filed by several petitioners, in which, Your Lordship, the Deputy Commissioner summoned them a so-called notice to appear them before him. And one of the petitioner is required to be appear today itself, Your Lordship. So that,
Let him appear. What's the
Lordship, this is an urgent matter.
for what? Appear regarding what?
Lordship, the Deputy Commissioner issued the so-called notice, noticing them to so-called as to why they are not be evicted from their land at
Go for
Luangwa,
eviction matter.
Lordship.
So eviction orders there.
Not yet, Lordship.
Then, if there's no order for them to be evicted, simply appearing before the deputy commissioner. I mean, okay, you can listen sometime tomorrow. Let them appear today. They can say we have filed this thing.
Lordship,
There's no eviction order yet, isn't it?
Lordship,
Simply telling them to appear. What's there?
the main thing is that the Lordship, the Deputy Commissioner is not vested the power to issue such so-called notice, Your Lordship.
So whatever it is, let it be listed tomorrow. It's simply appearing. That I don't think much
Okay,
harm would
Lordship.
have been done. No?
All right, Lordship.
Formation, item number 1.
My lord, in this case, my lord, the writ appeal is still pending, my lord. The
Still
principal.
pending.
On 24th of June, my lord. So may I phrase the matter may come on 18th of June, my lord. 18th of June, my lord. 8th July, my lord.
July.
Yes, ma'am.
18th will be too early.
Yes, my lord. Reopening, my lord.
Okay. Mr. S.K. Mehdi, Learned Counsel for the respondents.
Yes, my lord. I'm respondent 5, my lord.
Okay. Respondent, for the respondent number 5 submits that the appeal regarding the present subject, which is pending before the principal seat in writ appeal number 3.
My lord, 320, my lord.
Writ appeal number
320 or 2023 and 265 or 23, my lord. There's two regime.
Okay, something that the writ appeals, okay, in a similar matter, which is pending before the principal seat, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
In writ appeals number 320,
320 of
320 of 2023 and
265 or 23.
265 of 2023 are still pending before the principal bench and have been listed for
Fixed.
hearing on
On 24th of June, my lord.
24th June 2025. He has therefore prayed that the matter may be listed after the vacations on
On, my lord, 18th of July, my lord.
18/7/2025. Praise the Lord. List on 17.
Eight.
So and so, 18, is it?
18.
18, so and so. Yes.
Item number 2.
It's the same, my lord. It's
Same order?
Same issue, my lord. Readable pending. I have two,
No, item number 2.
my lord. This issue, my lord, there is stay order here, my lord, and my lord, in the High Court, the same issue is pending, my lord. Read appeal is pending, my lord. Same writ pending.
Same writ appeals?
Yes, my lord, same writ.
Okay, then same order.
Same order, yes, madam.
Yes.
5, 6, and 7, and 8, my lord.
What about 3? 3 is different?
3 is different, my lord. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is
Okay.
same, my lord.
Same order in 5, 6, and 7.
And 8, my lord.
Okay, 8.
8.
The writ appeals, same number?
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Same issue, my lord.
Same orders.
Items 3 and 4.
I look.
Lordship, these items, in item 3, there are two petitioners. The first one, that is Zosang Goli, has withdrawn herself in the sense that she has been offered some promotion.
Okay.
And she was given promotion, and she is not pressing the petition. And another writ petitioner, that is Srimati Miriam Laltan Moi, she will be continuing with the petition.
Miriam,
Miriam.
yes.
And Lordship, this may be taken up tomorrow if Lordship permits.
What is the matter about?
It's regarding promotion in respect of the
Sir, you also file an amended this thing cost title then, isn't it? Oh, no, we'll pass an order, not
yeah,
longer
it may not be
interested.
necessary.
Yes, not required. So, who is the counsel for the respondents?
I'm for the respondent number 1 and 2.
One and two. What about the other respondents? How many? 3,
Private-
4, 6, and 7.
Private respondents, they are not represented till date.
they have been properly served. And
Okay, now appeared in on except for. So this is for admission hearing. Is it?
Lordship, even at this stage, the matter can be disposed of. But for that, since I have some other engagement in the DB and the other single bench,
Okay,
this may
we'll
be
list
taken
it
up
tomorrow
tomorrow.
then. Both the matters. There's another one also.
yes, item number 4.
90. So what about 99? 99 is you're for the petitioners. Zirkungi. Same matter?
Yes.
Similar.
Similar.
It's similar.
Similar,
Then why wasn't a single writ petition filed?
Similar in the sense, Lordship, it is more or less analogous. Analogous because it's a promotion from one grade to another grade,
Okay.
but the grades are different.
Grades are different. That's why
And the
two writ
respondents are the same,
petitions.
in the sense against the Apex Bank,
Okay.
under the same set of rules,
So the
So-
only difference is the grades.
the grades.
So it can be heard together.
They come
disposed
under
of
the
together.
seniority cum merit
Oh,
promotion scheme.
okay. So now the promotion is based on seniority come merit.
Yes,
Is
yes,
it?
yes.
For both in the scheme.
For both.
Then we'll
Now,
have to see.
Zirkungi has already retired.
Zirkungi had filed this writ petition, and in
So
meantime,
Zilkungi, is she still interested?
yes,
Retrospective.
because the retrospective.
Okay, you're praying for the okay, fine. I heard Mr. Sila Ramzawa, learned senior counsel for the petitioner, was prayed that the matter may be adjourned for tomorrow. That is the date. Okay. Mr. Silal Fakzola, learned counsel for respondent number 1 and 2, is present and has not raised any objection. In view of the above, list tomorrow's date for admission hearing.
Obliged.
Part 2, item number 2.
Learned counsel for the petition is present, but what about the respondents? They are in the DB, is it?
I'm not sure, my lord.
We cannot proceed unless the respondents are represented. Zairam Sangpui is not here. Government advocates also. What's happened to them?
It is a fixed item and I did not contact to them this morning.
You should have contacted. Anyway, what do we do? We'll make it time being, but there's no other matter to be heard today, isn't it? Okay, what about 3 and 4?
My lord, may this matter be come up by next week?
See, if we can hear 3 and 4, we can proceed with 3 and 4, and after this thing, 3 and 4, we can hear your matter.
Yes, my lord.
If you're ready today, you're ready today?
Yes, I'm ready
Okay,
today.
contact the respondents. If they're willing to have the matter heard today, we can do that.
Okay, my lord.
Time being matters.
Items 3 and 4.
Yes.
Lordship, this is a mic appeal. And at the outset, Lordship, this is the second round of appeal, Lordship.
Okay.
Earlier, there was an impugned judgment and award dated 12/6/2019, Lordship, which was challenged by the instant appellant insurance company, which was registered as make appeal number 28 of 2019, Lordship, and which was disposed of by this honorable court on 9/11/2020, and the appeal was allowed and remanded back to the learned tribunal for de novo trial, Lordship. And when the matter was remanded back to the tribunal, Lordship, no new evidence was adduced by all the parties. And in fact, the learned tribunal had framed only 2 new issues, and thereafter make a conclusion by passing this impugned judgment and award to 9/2024. Hence this make appeal. And
Okay,
also.
wait, before we proceed any further, in the writ appeal, in the appeal,
Lordship,
okay,
yes.
when we peruse the orders of this court,
Lordship, yes.
it appears that notice has not been issued to the respondents, the last 2 respondents number 5 and 6 maybe, or 6 and 7. So do we drop them or are they necessary parties?
Lordship,
5 and 6, both of them are from Karimganj, Silchar.
Karimganj, Lordship.
But no notice was issued to them
Oh,
during the appeal. Here, it says that the private 1 to 4 is represented.
Lordship, yes.
So no need to issue notice to the respondents. But then, what was not pointed out before the court was that there are 2 other respondents.
Very true, Lordship.
5 and 6. And in the appeal, no notice was issued to them, if you peruse the order. So that formality was not completed. And it appears your appeal is with regards to the payment of compensation, where you say that the owner and this thing, they are the ones who are liable, is it?
Very true, Lordship, yes.
Then their notice has to be issued to them.
My Lord,
That part has been
we are
missed
so
out.
sorry. My Lord, when the present appeal was presented before this honorable court, the court was of the view that since the owner of the accident vehicle was not having any liability in connection with the present appeal, then we can forego serving the notice upon them. And that is why no notice was served.
Is it?
That was the case.
But what is your case?
Lordship, yes, we are challenging our liability, Lordship.
If you are challenging your liability and that is allowed, then the owner and the driver, they are the ones who will
Yes,
be liable.
Lordship.
So they have to be this thing. They have to be present. So we'll have to release this from the hearing list. At least that formality has to be complete, isn't it? You'll issue notice. The address, it appears as Silchar, Karimganj. Formal notice. If there is no return of the notice, then at least through newspaper publication. Then we can say that it is complete. After that, we can proceed. Because if you say there's no liability, then the liability will fall on the owner and the this thing. So notice has to be issued.
I do agree with Lordship. At the same time, my Lord, since this is the second round of appeal, in the earlier round of appeal also, the
They have
first
not appeared.
they have not appeared.
But,
And before the tribunal
but
also, they
that
are not
formality has to be
Formality was
complete, the formality. Because supposing the appeal is allowed and the owner and the driver are to, pay the awarded amount, then they, how can they can say that notice was not issued,
My Lord,
isn't it?
in the
So
present
we have to
case,
complete the formality.
that is why I have no objection as such. However, my Lord, what I would like to submit to your Lordship is, they do not have any liability. I mean, the owners, there is no owner's liability in the present case because the insurance
That will be
policy.
deciding, that will be deciding the case. That formality, let us complete and then we can hear the matter.
My lord.
Isn't it? So we'll say that notice through this thing. Okay, I'll just pass the order. Make it both registered post and also through newspaper
Newspaper
publication.
also, yes.
My lord.
Okay, both. Because the matter has been kept pending for quite
Yes,
some time. is it?
2017 case.
Okay, I heard Mr. Johnny L. Totong, learned counsel for the appellant, along with Mr. L.H. Nyanshima, learned senior counsel for the respondents number 1 to 4.
1 to 4, my lord.
Slash claimants. Is it?
My lord.
Full stop. It is seen that though the matter has been listed for hearing, no notice was issued to the respondents number 5 and 6 slash owner and driver of the accident vehicle. In view of the above, this court find it fit to release the matter from hearing column and listed in admission column by issuing notice to the respondents number 5 and 6 through registered post with AD within 3 days, returnable by 3 weeks. This court also find it fit to issue notice to respondents number 5 and 6 through newspaper publication, since it has been submitted by the learned counsel for the appellant that the respondents number 5 and 6 had also failed to appear before the learned trial court. Full stop. Notice be also issued to respondents number 5 and 6 through newspaper publication and where is it? In the local newspaper,
Local newspaper,
widely
yes.
distributed in the district where the respondents reside.
Besides,
List the matter on, we need to fix a date then, if it's newspaper. After 3 weeks, then
3 weeks.
yes, not 3 weeks.
give me a date. Today is the 16th, 1, 2, 3. We'll make it 24th?
Lordship, yes.
24th
no
July
problem.
is.
On 24th July 2025.
Obligation.
Item number 2.
Now, CGC is there, but government?
Now she's engaged in the DB and she told me that to proceed and I will
Okay.
give submission letter.
Okay, fine. What is the case about?
The case, my case is regarding non-payment of Solicium interest, which was already awarded to me, and there is a delay payment, and under Section 30, the delay payment was claimed. It isn't.
Okay, you are the owner of, that's just the very brief
It is-
background. Yes.
It is in annexure number 2, page 14. This is
Yes. Okay, you are the owner of the landed property which is situated between Bairobi and Sairang. Is
Yes,
it?
my lord.
Okay.
Then
And the land was acquired for the construction of the road, for which award was made. Award number 1 of 2012, is it?
yes, my lord.
Okay. Then,
Then page 14 is the approval, is the conveyance letter from respondent number 2 to the railway, and the draft was already had been approved. Then my name is reflected in page 79. Serial number 79. It is in page 19.
page 19, yes. Serial number 79.
Yes, my
That's
lord.
you.
Yes,
Okay.
my lord. You have to look together with page 15.
Oh.
Nine lakhs 49,550 is the value of the crops.
You're reading from page 19.
Page 19, yes, my lord.
9 lakhs,
9 lakhs 49,550 is the value of the crops. It was already been released, the compensation amount. Then the last column, the last second column, 2,800, 2,84,865 is the Solicium.
Okay,
And
30%, okay.
and 1,77,943 is the interest awarded to me.
Okay. So what's wrong with this?
Then after that, it is in
The
page-
interest is from 0208 2011 to 2102 2013. Is it?
Yes, my
interest,
lord. Yes, my lord.
Oh.
Then page 24 is the sanction letter from respondent number 2 to respondent number 1. And my name is still reflected in 79. It is in page 28. That is the crop amount.
Serial number 79.
Page
Page
28. 28.
28.
Yes, my lord. Then thereafter,
Serial number
79.
79.
That is the amount of crops.
So how much are you receiving here
Crops compensation only.
for crops?
Yes, 9 lakhs 49,550.
Your land is covered by a VC pass, is it?
Yes, my lord.
Crops compensation.
Yes,
Okay.
my lord. Then page 31, thereafter, I was accused of having fake pass, and the Land Special Court PC Act had discharged me. It is in page 36, para 17.
Okay, you were charged under what section?
Under
What was the offense
120,
committed by you?
120B, 420, it is in page
Okay,
31.
okay, PC Act, under the
Yes.
PC Act.
Yes, my lord. Then page 36, para number 17. Then it clearly stated, may I read out, my lord?
Yes.
Therefore, the accused, namely accused number 6, Laltrafam Kima, accused number 7, Riang Goti, accused number 8, Thang Moya, accused number 9, Lalthampari, accused number 11, Liang Kuma, and accused number 10, C. Larinchana, accused number 12, C. Lianzual, accused number 14, P. C. Lalming Hui, accused number 15, Lal Chon, accused number 16, Lal Chona, this is me, and accused number 4, Lal Biak Liana, accused number 13, Lal Remoy are discharged from the charge as provided by section 227 of CRPC 1973, since there are no sufficient grounds to proceed against them. Then after the order had been issued, the Kala did not release my compensation amount, and because of that, I had approached this honorable court by WPC number 118 of 2021. It is in page 53. It is in page 53 and the operative portion is in page 59. Para 7. In respect of petitioner, may I read out, my lord?
Yes.
In respect of petition number 1, it is seen that the Deputy Commissioner cum District Collector had written to the Law Department for filing appeal against the order dated 4/12/2015 passed by the trial court in criminal trial number 1887 of 2015. However, there is no material on record that an appeal has been filed against the said order, and that being their position, there appears to be no impediment in directing the authority concerned to release the amount to the petitioner number 1. Accordingly, the respondent number 2 is directed to release the amount of compensation due to the petitioner number 1 in terms of award number 1 of 2012 amounting to 9,49,550 to him within a period of 3 weeks from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order. And this honorable court had released me the crops compensation and the solicium and interest which was already awarded to me is not yet released to me. Because of that, I'm approaching this honorable court to release which is bound to receive by me, and it is in page 62, my lord. In respect to the crops compensation amount 9,49,550 was released by order dated 30 January 2023. Then we are humble praying this honorable court to give me the delay payment on interest under section 34 of the LAM.
What will that amount be? Have you calculated how much you feel you are entitled?
Roughly it has been calculated. It is in page 8.
8.
Yes.
Okay, how have you calculated? The compensation for the crops have been given. Now, interest for delayed payment.
Interest for delay
Payment
payment
of the
is-
awarded amount. Therefore, they are supposed to pay and interest for the delayed payment of the amount. So how have you come to this 14 lakhs?
14,12,358 is the aggregate amount of the crops compensation amount, solicium and interest.
So what is the
Then
compensation is 9 lakhs something, isn't it?
that is the crops compensation, yes, my lord.
So besides the 9 lakhs, you want another 14 lakhs, is it?
No, my lord.
Then so how did you
that
calculate
14 less is the aggregate amount of the crops compensation, solicium and interest.
So how have you calculated the solicium and interest from which date to date, which date?
Because the delay payment can be
So how have you calculated? Under 34?
9%.
Under 34, so 9% with
Per
effect
annum.
from, with effect from 01/07
2014.
2014 to 01/07 2015. That means 9% of the 9 lakhs something, is it? So it will be for 1 year?
Yes, it is 1 year.
1 year. 9% of 9 lakhs something, okay? And 15% with effect from this, because if it's, okay, to some, okay, let's see. So the total payable interest would amount to 17 lakhs so and so. So how much do you feel you are still entitled to? Have you taken the 9 lakhs?
Yes, my lord. I have already taken 9 lakhs and Solicium and interest was not awarded to me.
So how
And
much do you think you're still entitled to? Deducting what you have taken?
As per my draft calculation, it is 17 lakhs 34,878
Plus the 9 lakhs.
plus Solicium and interest. Excluding
No.
Solicium and interest.
So besides the 9 lakhs, you want another 17 lakhs.
No, this is for the delay payment.
For the delayed payment, you're saying you want another 17 lakhs.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Fine. That's it?
Yes, my lord.
My lord, I may be permitted to make a submission before the State Government Council because I have another case in another court, my lord. We file affidavit, my lord, for respondent number 3 and 4. Then here the petitioner admitted the date of taking possession of the land is 1/7/2014. In the meantime,
No, she has not mentioned, okay.
I
My
filed-
lord, may I interrupt? My lord, the date of possession is in page.
You have not mentioned anything about date of possession.
My lord, sorry, may
in
I
the
add
in the
that
synopsis, my lord.
it is in page 65 of my petition.
Well, let her complete her this thing first. Because,
I'm sorry, I missed out this portion.
that's what, I don't, yes.
It is in serial number 3. Possession of land in area award number 1 of 2012 under the Land Acquisition Act was taken on 1/7/2014.
So your submission is your land, possession of your land was taken on 01/07/2014. Okay. And then when were you paid the money?
31/1/2023. It is in page 63 of my petition.
2023. Is it?
Yes, my lord.
So you want the interest and solicium to be calculated from this date? Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Now it is becoming a little bit clear. I'm trying to understand what you're saying. Date of possession. What about the others? When were they given the money? Those who are not involved in the criminal case?
Already sanctioned. Already released.
Already when?
In 2014.
So when were you given the 9 lakhs?
31/1/2023.
Okay, only on 31/1.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Yes, now, Ms. Aram Samp, we can
my lord.
continue.
My lord, I filed my affidavit on 30/4/2024.
For respondents number
Respondent number 3 and 4.
3 and 4, okay.
My lord, award. Regarding that award, payment has been made by railway. It page 7, my lord, Annex 1. That was date was 29/1/2024. We sanctioned the money to the state respondent. However, due to some writ petition regarding anti-corruption bureau so and so, the state government may not release at that relevant time. However, we sent to the
Okay, so you have released how
yes,
much?
we released
16
on
crores.
29/1, 2014, because there is no delay on our part. Then we are not liable to make a payment of delay payment, my lord. That is my submission. Then, Section 34 of Land Acquisition Act 1894 is not attracted. Then, railway is not responsible for delay payment. Then, we already pray to delete the name of railway, my lord. That is our submission, because since we already released the money to the state government within a time, there is no delay on our
Okay,
part.
29/01,
Yes, my lord.
2014.
That is my submission, my lord.
When did you acquire the land?
Fight award number.
When did you take possession of the land?
Fight award number 1 of 2012.
And when did you take possession of the land?
My lord.
From 0107?
Yes, my lord. Yes, admitted by the petitioner 1/7/2014.
Okay. But you're saying that we had released the money, there's no delay. Okay, fine. Yes.
Your Lordship, as the facts is already highlighted by my learned friend, the reason why there is a delay in payment is because of the long drawn proceedings that was made before the criminal court as well as the writ court. So it was only after the order dated 23/11/2022 in passed in WPC 118 of 2021 that we have released to compensation.
So see if you have any authorities on this delay payment.
Your Lordship, there is no
Anything?
delay payment. There is no delay.
No, because the money that they received.
Yes.
What about the others?
The others already disbursed. It is already mentioned.
So others' money was disbursed. Their money was not disbursed because of the pending of
The long-drawn proceedings.
So the interest to be calculated, is it also to include the period in which the matter was pending?
Your Lordship,
against- So
what
do you
we-
have any authority on that? Have you
Your
done any
Lordship, that is
research?
beyond their prayer, because their prayer is to attract Section 34. Section 34 is not attracted in this case because, like already submitted, the funds was sanctioned by the concerned authorities to the agency, that is the DC, on the same month of that position was taken.
Along with all these,
Solatium and interest.
solatium and
yes.
interest, all released.
Solatium and interest, okay, it's statutory rights. We have to
So
give them.
the money also was released. Only thing
Money
is,
was released to the other beneficiaries.
along with
not
solatium
with-
and interest.
But not with but not the present petitioner. Now, the present petitioner, when they approached for release of their awarded amount also, they did not pray for release of the solatium and interest. So the direction was to the extent to release the awarded amount only. So now, after thought, they come before this honorable court to release the solatium
when,
interest.
when the value of the land or the
Yes.
crops is 9 lakh something.
Yes.
Okay. So when the money was released, was solatium and interest also released along with that?
No, Your Lordship, because the direction of this honorable court was to release the award
So where's
money.
that money?
It is, that is why I haven't come to that. Solatium and interest we can pay because that is their statutory
Yes,
right.
yes.
But with regards to the date of possession 34, we cannot do because that is that
Date of possession?
date of possession. They have here in this petition.
No, let's
they
be
have
clear.
made a prayer for awarding the payment of interest for delay payment. But delay in payment, there is no delay on our part, on the state part as well as the part of the concerned authorities, the acquiring authorities, because on the part of acquiring authorities there is no delay because they have paid in
But
time.
the acquiring authority, did they release did they pay the solatium and interest also for the crops?
Yes, Solatium in interest they paid.
How
But
much?
then,
How much?
The
79. Serial number 79.
See, so that Solatium and interest, is it included in the 9 lakhs, which they say it's due to them?
no, Your Lordship. The Solatium in interest, if I may take Your Lordship kind attention to
Page?
the page 19 of the affidavit.
Which affidavit?
Sorry, the
Writ petition?
writ petition, yes. This is annexure to the relevant portion is page number.
Yes, page 19.
So the first serial number 79,
Yes, yes.
the first column. The first column
9
wherein
lakhs so
9
and
lakhs
so.
is written
Huh.
is value of crops.
Yes, yes.
And second column is total amount payable.
Yes, for the crops, isn't
Yes,
it?
yes, for
Then
the crops. And
Solatium?
Solatium,
30%?
Solatium at the rate of 30%. It's 2,84,865.
So this has not been paid to them?
Yes.
And
This has
interest
not been-
also not paid?
And interest at the rate of 12%. That is with from 11 to 2013. So whatever amounts already calculated here, we can
You can pay.
we can pay.
The remaining,
but not
huh?
delay payment under
So,
section
yes,
34.
yes. No.
Section 34.
So what is the amount which you say you're liable to pay? Just add those two.
It's 7 lakhs 71,606.93 rupees.
How did you calculate?
It's
2
all-
lakhs?
Yes.
No, 2 lakhs 84,865 plus 1 lakh 77,943.
Your Lordship,
That is page 19.
okay, I'll recalculate it, sorry.
Ah.
177, 943
It becomes
007.
4,62,808.
plus
4,62,808.
Okay, so you're saying you're liable to pay another 4,62,000, but not the amount which was calculated by them, is it? Now, this interest, 12% interest is from 02/08/2011.
2011.
This is page 15, okay?
Yes.
To 21/01/2023. While in this case, they are claiming that it should be from 01/07/2014. Okay, that's when the case was initiated or what?
That's when the
Others were paid, but they were not paid. So it's between this period.
yes.
Yes, my
So, Your Lordship, but then they are claiming under section 34. There is no delay on the part of the state as well as the acquiring authority.
So it's only because
it's
of
of the
the
long-run
pending of the
proceedings,
case.
Lordship, I objected this one, this portion because the SCB had discharged me from my church level on order issue dated 4/12/2015.
Where's that?
It is in page.
Correct, but then it was only
Wait,
after
wait,
the...
let's see. Let her have 412.
Page
Where's that?
31
Page
of my
31.
petition is the first page of the order, and page 37, and from page 37, it can be seen that
Okay, the judgment, okay. The court had, so after this, after 4/12/2015, you had approached the High Court, isn't it? This
Yes, my
court?
lord, yeah.
And in
Then-
the, when you approached, you had prayed for release of only the 9 lakhs, you forgot about the interest and the solusium. And then now you have come to the court saying that the interest and solusium should be calculated between this period. So what about the previous interest and solusium, which you did not take, 4 lakh something, that you don't require?
Lordship, because
That
the crops
has not been
compensation, the
included.
crops compensation was released on 31/2023, and we are claiming up to that much. Then after that, we are not claiming.
So in page 19, the solusium and interest, okay, the interest was calculated from 02/08/2011, from 2011. But you are not calculating that now, you're calculating from 2014, is it?
Yes, from the date of possession as per section 34.
But then in this, the interest is calculated from 2/08/2011, but you're calculating it only from 1/7/2014. How's
Because
that calculation done?
Because section, as per section 34, if the award was not paid before the date of possession, then delay payments should be calculated from the date of possession.
Okay, so while you were having this case pending before you, you were still in possession of the land,
Yes, my lord.
is it?
After they have been acquired, it is with the possession of the railway, and before that, it is with our possession.
So let's see page 15. Come to page 15. Then the railways also will have to be here again, because here it says that the possession was taken on 02/08/2011, is it? The interest.
Lordship, in this respect, I may submit one
What?
adjustment and order.
What I'm not understanding is the calculation in page 15, where page 15 and page 19, where the interest and solusium for the crops were already calculated. But you're saying that calculation is not correct, is it?
Yes, my lord, this case is
Then we have to see. we have
little
to
bit
see the-
different, but the foundation is same, and it is in para number 5. Para number 5, section 34 of the LAF provides that when the amount of such compensation is not paid or deposited on or before taking possession of the land, the collector shall pay the amount award with interest thereon at the rate of 9% per annum from the date of so taking possession until it shall have been so paid or deposited, provided that if such compensation or any part thereof is not paid or deposited within a period of 1 year from the date on which possession is taken, interest at the rate of 15% per annum shall be payable from the date of expiry of the same period of 1
See,
year.
that's okay. This is okay. We understand all this. Okay. Your case is slightly different. But how can you say now? So this interest and solusium that was calculated in your favor in page 19, for the compensation 9 lakhs, that's okay. You have taken that for the crops. Okay. But then another 4 lakhs something was already calculated for solusium and for the interest also between this period. How did they calculate this then? Yes, Miss Mary, if you say that possession was not taken, she's saying that they did not take possession of my property at that
That is
time.
question of fact.
They already taken after the acquisition was after the acquisition was done.
Your Lordship,
Already taken.
let her
Already
finish,
taken.
then I will.
Already taken, my lord.
When did they take possession?
1/7/2014.
Only in 1/7/2014.
Yes, my lord.
Then how was this calculated? Page 15?
12%.
Yes,
Your Lordship, 12% is calculate, is the date of notification and the date of the award. Time gap between.
date of possession?
And date of the award.
What? This was never challenged by anyone else. So when this was calculated, you were already, you are still in possession also of your land or what? On 2/8/2011. Look at page 15.
From till the date of possession, till the date of possession, that the land was in our possession. After that, it is with the possession of the railway.
So how was this calculated? Everyone else got were paid the amount.
And we are not agreeing this calculation of the interest regarding this calculation.
You're challenging this also?
We are not challenging. We are
Then
not
you are-
challenging. The amount they awarded to me is to be released.
To release. So
Yes.
the interest and solution, isn't it?
Yes,
So
which
30%,
they awarded.
30%, and the interest that is in
Yes.
page 15. You want
Yes.
that also released,
Yes,
isn't
yes,
it?
my lord, yes.
That
Then
can be
along
released.
with that,
That's as simple as that.
along with that, section 34.
Okay, no section 34. Then plus that, you're saying that we want that released, and also you want the interest to be calculated from 2014 to 2022 also.
23. 31, 2023.
23/11/2022 is this one date you gave me. Okay, so you are saying besides the interest and solution already given to you, you want an addition, the award from 31/01/2023, since the money was not, the award was not given to you because of the pending case, isn't it?
It is not a pending case, my lord. It is not a pending case. 2015, they had already been discharged me from my church level against me, and thereafter they supposed to be released, but they were not willing to release, and I think that they are satisfied to keep in their custody that money. And after approaching this honorable court to make payment on my compensation, then with
But
this
you
honorable
had
court
paid
order,
for, you had approached this court for only 9 lakhs something.
no, Len acquisition,
No,
Here is
previously when you approached this court, and not in this case, but previously, you had prayed for the release of only 9 lakhs something, isn't it? In WPC 118.
this is the first order of the WPC 118 of 2021.
So in WPC 118, you had approached this court for release of 9,49,555. This was the award order made on 23/11/2022. So if the order of the court was not complied with, then you should have this thing gone on contempt.
My lord, it is written one. My prayer is that to release the compensation awarded under the LA Draft Award 1 of 2012. And it is not mentioned, it is not clearly mentioned about the sum of the compensation, the amount of the compensation.
Good. So you had previously approached this court, isn't it?
my
Concerning
lord.
what you're submitting today also.
Yes, my lord.
Then, if that was not included in the order, you're filing a fresh writ petition while the matter was already considered by this court previously?
But we are praying to make payment of my compensation.
So why didn't you
Some-
make it before the court in 118/2023? Did you make that prayer before the court in 118/2021, 2023, is it? Yes.
Yes.
It's 2021. In WPC 118/2021, when you approached the court, after you were dismissed or discharged, okay, you had approached the court
Yes, my
for
lord.
payment of your awarded amount. At that time, did you mention concerning the solatium and interest what you're mentioning today?
It is not specifically mentioned. What
You
we are
should
mentioned
have.
is award number 1 of 2012.
Huh?
And by mistakenly, it is mentioning only the crops compensation only. Solicium and interest is not included in the operative portion of the judgment and
The
order.
judgment, then you should have gone and reviewed. You see, because we are talking about the same judgment, if by mistake of the court had not mentioned, then you should have approached the same court. So you look at your petition, which was filed before the court in writ petition number 118/2021. Okay. And there, if the prayer, same prayer which you have made today was made, but the court by mistake had missed out that point, then I think you should approach the same court.
Then now we are approaching the same court here.
No, the same court who made the judgment, that is 118/2021. Who passed the order? The bench who passed the order. Isn't it? That you in 118/2021, you had also prayed for the solatium and the interest that should be released to you as per maybe whichever date, those dates you mentioned. But that was not included in the judgment. Then it should go before the same judge who made that order to review and see, oh, I forgot about the solatium and interest. And then that should also be mentioned. I don't know why it's the same award you're coming again, and now you're saying the money was released only on 2023, so I should get till 2023. That's, I think, something is wrong. Because you had agitated against in 2021 for the matter, isn't it? So now, finally, after this matter was, this thing is, you have come to this court saying it should be from 2023 because the matter was given to me only in 2023. But then in 2021, you should have included that. If you did not, or the court had forgot to mention that, you cannot keep stretching the years also. Are you getting my point?
Yes, my lord.
So look back into your petition, which you had filed in 118/2021. And if you had mentioned concerning the saying that you have the right to be paid solatium and also interest between this period, then that should have been included in the order of this court, which maybe by some mistake it was not mentioned. Yes, I find it a bit difficult to same award. Now, money was released only on 2023, so now you have come praying up to 2023, when in 2021 you had agitated concerning the same thing. 2 years also you have added. So where's your, this thing, do you have a copy of your writ petition in 118/2021?
Right now, I'm not having.
You are the same counsel?
Yes, I'm the same counsel.
Okay, so we'll list it again tomorrow. Just see if you have mentioned concerning the solatium and interest, which should have also been calculated. If you had mentioned that before this court, a different bench, of course, and that was not included, then I think you should go on a review to see, I had mentioned this, you have not said anything. Instead of after you receive the money, you come again to this court saying this, when the same matter was already placed before the court.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, are you getting my point?
Yes, my lord.
Because then it will be repetition, and then the money was released only on 2023. So now you're saying it should be calculated up to 2023 when you had agitated on that point way back in 2021. Yes, Mrs. Mary, we will hear this matter again. We'll continue. Will you be ready by tomorrow?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. On heard Ms. Jacinta so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, along with Mrs. Mary L. Kiangte, learned government advocate for respondents number 1, 2, for the state respondents.
For the state,
Okay.
yes.
And Mrs. Zairim Sankwe, learned CGC for respondents number
3 to
and
4.
3 and 4. Having heard the submissions made by the learned counsel, the matter is adjourned for 17th Is it tomorrow, 17?
Yes, my lord.
So and so, for further hearing. Okay, just come with the petition, we'll have a look.
Yes, my lord.